Hello everyone, Dan Hurt with Dan Hurt Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. I'm here with Mark Castianoli. Did I get that right?
Right.
He is the local creator or manufacturer of the Batea pan. What do you call it?
The right pan.
The right pan. The right pan. He's here on the Fraser River with me on one of his friend's claims. And we are going to check out this Batea pan of how well it works for catching fine gold. He says it is the only way to go. Let's see if he's right. Hope you enjoy.
Hydraulic to come off that triple.
Hey, look at the white water over there. Wow. Yeah, lots of black sand here. Woohoo! Yeah, it's on the first gold. Let's get there. So, about 40 specks of gold in the first pan for both of us. Mark's was much cleaner than mine. I have a lot of material left. His was down to almost nothing. So the Batea style pan is used all over the world. It's probably the most common style of pan out there, just not in North America. North America, we use what we consider a traditional gold pan, even though most of the world uses that, or some version of it.
I borrowed one and went down to the mouth of the Klondike, and probably found 3 times the gold I would find with my normal flat bottom pen. They think, okay, I'm sold. And then, after using it, this is pretty well ideal proportion. And I was getting 3 times the gold every day. So that made me think, yeah, this is the way to go. So I began very low-key manufacturing, not much in the way of marketing, but now is the time, because with the value of gold and the number of miners in the world that need a perfected pan, it's time.
Okay, how do you use this thing?
Well, dump it into water. And it's clean. Now, first off, back and forth, forward to front, get everything in motion. Everything is moving. Everything's in a spiral. Underwater. Don't break surface. So right away we're down to this, which is pretty impressive. You float the rock off, gently underwater, turn, and we're down just to the gold.
There it is. Can you see the pan itself? We keep showing it with the classifier on top. Okay, there we go. Can I turn it sideways?
Now,
A typical Batea gold pan.
but what's essential is you got your 9mm rock, and that keeps everything fluid.
Right.
And if it's not fluid, it don't sink.
Yep. I actually don't like classifying down to 1/8 because it locks up.
It locks
It
up.
locks up with 1/8 classifier.
But man, someone up there's throwing a lot of 1/8.
Yes, they are. I prefer quarter because it has just a big enough rock to keep things agitated.
That's right.
Can I do a pan?
Absolutely. Let's
Okay.
I'll let you choose so you know
Where do you dig from? That's good. Okay. Look right into one. Classify like normal.
You can just use the top pan.
Yep.
Over top. There you go. And it's not going to break or wear out. That's not, underwater. You need to go lower.
A little lower. Okay.
Even lower.
Even lower.
Get it underwater, back and forth. And once it's all fluid, then you start to rotate.
Just a round, straight in a circle like that?
So that's about a 3-inch circle with the bottom, and a little bit slower, but underwater, just a level of water. There you go. It's amazing how much material just disappears.
So there we go. We have, what is that, like a quarter pan, a quarter typical pan?
Yeah.
Okay, and now just circles again?
Yep.
Do you tip it forward at all so some goes up?
You can, but it's not necessary. You can pan like a conventional pan, because the gold is going to be dead center at the bottom. So I need to move the rocks.
The rocks are in the way.
And hold it level. It's creating a vortex.
Yeah. And you can see I just have now about a cup, not even a cup, half a cup of black sand now.
And then gently force it straight down underwater.
Okay.
Let it boil and then rotate. And repeat that 2 or 3 times and most of the black sand will be gone.
Okay.
So slowly and then rotate while it's boiling.
While it's boiling, rotate. Okay.
Yeah. So slowly you get it back.
Yeah, getting rid of it. Whoa! Big wave. Just being put a little bit. Okay, so.
And now you can move it forward and you'll see it's golden.
Now we have about a tablespoon of material left in here now. And the gold will be in the very bottom cone, right? Oh yeah, I see it coming out the back already. Look at that. A line of gold.
And almost no black sand.
Yeah, all the black sand's up there. There's a bit of gold in it, but it's going to be very easy to suck this up right now if I had water. So Mark, if someone wanted their own pan, where would they go looking for one of those?
Well, this time you'll find it under the right pan, under Placer Gold Design.
So if they just Google search for Placer Gold Design?
The right pan, and click on the pans, and you'll come to all the info. At present, this is a specialized, black enamel pan. The regular one is just a blued steel pan.
And what would the price range be? Considering, and remember everyone, this is Canadian dollars we talk.
Canadian dollars, and at present, the set of pans is $200.
There we go.
And shipping cost averages about $30 to $40 to ship. They may become available on Amazon Prime. I'm working on it.
Perfect. Beautiful. The sun is coming out. Look at that beautiful mountain. March 9th. Spring is on its way. Well, everyone, we're on our way out of here. We were just here for a couple of hours testing out the Batea pan and doing a nice video of what it can do. I'm very impressed so far. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you like what you saw, consider hitting that subscribe button. I have hundreds of more videos on YouTube, and I'll be making hundreds more in the future. If you like today, there's a good chance you'll like what's to come. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram. And until the next one, everyone, bye.
Until next time.
On the path to find a place.